let me tell you about my food experience with Masaderia, tinapay at minatamis. In other words, bakery. Talaga naman. Masaderia. Sa pangalan pa lang. Sipin nyo, ano kaya ito? Panaderia with masa. But, I'll tell you, alam mo anong dapat branding nito? Masaderia Fluffy. Kasi everything that I ate was fluffy. Oh, you're wondering, what did you eat ba? Oh, eto na. Huwag nang mamadali. Eto na, na-excite kayo dahil sa pictures. O, di ba? I received one box na sampler. Stick step with 4 kinds of goodies inside. Siksik. S-I-K, S-I-K. Talaga, ang dami-dami kasing laman na 4 kinds of yummy breads. And I'll tell you later what was inside. Tapos meron pang one box ng assorted botchog cookies. Cookies? Botchog? Bakit botchog? Wait till you see gaano kalaki. Ang laki na, ang chubby pa, at ang kapal ng cookies. Yum! And then, of course, one pack ng pandesal na kakaibang pandesal. Mahilig tayo maglagay ng panlaman, hindi ba? Palaman, palaman, palaman. Pero totoo, dito, sa pandesal, lasa siyang ensimada. Ang sarap talaga ng pandesal nila. Di ba yung fluffy, hindi mabigat sa tiyan? O sige, let me tell you my story na ha, para naman mainggit kayo. Yun pala yun, ano, nang iinggit. Sige. So the box came in, napaka-elegante. Sabi ko, maganda talaga pang gift box ito ha, for all occasions. Talagang maipagmamalaki nyo. Oh, take a good look. O, di ba? For all occasions, whatever the case may be. And whether breakfast, lunch, dinner, merienda, oh, always nice to eat all these yummy goodies. Oh, let me tell you one by one. Sabi nga nila, each by each, slow by slow. Isa-isa, dahan-dahan. Kikwento ko sa'yo. Here goes. I saw the box. Yung pinadala, sampler. Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, 4 kinds ang laman. Meron siyang Spanish bread. Meron siyang cheese roll. Meron din siyang pan de coco. Meron siyang red bean bun. Oh, siyempre naman, all-time favorite natin yan, di ba? Spanish bread. We grew up with that. Come on, you know that. Pero dito, kakaiba siya kasi fluffy nga. Paulit-ulit ko ikikwento sa inyo. Fluffy siya talaga. Yun. Tsaka generous. Tignan yung laman. O, di ba? Ang daming laman. Wowie talaga. Super sulit. Yan. Yan si Spanish bread. And then, let's go to the cheese roll. Nako, i-describe ko talaga sa inyo. Fluffy na, melt in your mouth pa. Ayan. Talagang masusunod-sunod nyo yung kain. Because it just melts in your mouth. You don't even have to chew it. Take a good look, di ba? Tapos yung parabang bits and pieces of cheese. Ayan, tingnan nyo, parang meron siyang mga flakes na dusty na, nakikita nyo? Yun, parang yung cheese roll, nakarap dun. O, di ba? Yum! Yan. Totoo yan, ha? It really tastes good. Melt in your mouth. And then, ito na. Si all-time favorite pan de coco. O, tingnan nyo. Ang daming laman, di ba? Yan ang nasasabi kong branding ng Masaderia. Fluffy na yung masa, generous pa ang laman. Yan ang mapapromise ko sa inyo. Kasi me pa, no? I'm so picky with food. Like ko to. Talaga. Dapat ito pang like and share. O, di ba? At syempre, mag-comment din. Ay, Facebook pala yun. Ha? O, di ba? Now let's talk about the cookies. Diba? I told you, they're as big as my palad. Ganun kakapal, ganun kalaki. Kaya nga pangalan ng cookies nila, Bochog. Yung nasubukan ko. Giant cookies talaga. 3 kinds yun ha. Ang pinaka talagang nag-attract ng mata ko. Ang cute. From 1 to 2 to 3. We will start with yung oatmeal cookies. Classic yung oatmeal cookies nila ha. Chunky yung oatmeal. Tapos when you bite into it, crunchy ba? Pero panglasa niya, buttery. Yan. Oatmeal, healthy yan. O, di ba? Oatmeal cookies na classic. Panalo yan. Pasaderya, syempre. O, di ba? Ito na, ito na, ito na. Nakikita niyo yung crinkles. Naku, yan. Dark choco crinkles yan. Ginagamit. Totoo yan. Yung high class na dark choco. Tapos, tignan nyo ha, if you look well, meron siyang chocolate chunks. Yan. When you bite into it, hindi lang yung cookie may chocolate pa. Take note ha, chunks, chunks talaga. And yung, you know, your kids always ask for this. Mommy, choco chip. Yun. Yung choco chip cookies, look naman. Oh, ang base niya sweet buttery cookie. Diba? Kitang-kita naman eh. But look at the big dark choco chunks. Yan. Once you start, you can't stop. So, kita nyo yung box of 6. Tignan natin kung kaya nyo ubusin yan. Tandaan nyo ha, kasing laki ng palad nyo yung isang piraso niya. Happy eating talaga with matching tighay. O yun ha. Yeah. Classic oatmeal cookies, dark choco crinkles, and choco chip cookies. My goodness gracious. Comfort talaga. There you have it. Now you know my yummy experience with Masaderia. Talagang boing, boing, boing. Ang happiness quotient ko biglang tumaas by 200 points. Talaga naman. Take a hint. If you want pang regalo, malapit ng Pasko ha. All occasion to, di ba? Birthday, Pasko, anniversary, office occasion, binyag, kasal, o di ba? Giveaway sa mga bisita nyo. Name it, you've got it. Masaderia has it for you. I'm telling you ha, mapili ako sa pagkain. Masarap ito. You go to Facebook nga pala, no? You'll find all their details there and also all their other products pa na di ko na talagang makain. Ang dami. Yun. So, kayo naman magbalita sa amin. Mag-comment din kayo sa Facebook, ha? Ng inyong Masaderia experience. Tandaan nyo, ha? Ang branding niyan, fluffy. I like it and I know you're gonna like it too. Look for it. Go to Facebook. Masaderia. Talaga naman. You're going to love it forever and ever. Happy eating!